Hi guys, so today we'll be solving this problem called partition labels. And in this problem, we are given a string and we want to partition the string into as many parts as possible so that each letter appears in at most one part. Return a list of integer representing the size of these parts. Okay, so yeah, the problem statement seems a bit confusing, but what we need to do is that we need to find the starting index of every character and know its ending index. So, for example, the maximum ending index of A is here, right? And we need to similarly find for every character the maximum ending index, and we need to divide that string into one. Okay, so for example, this is the maximum because we can see B is maximum till here. The last index where it occurs is here. Similarly, we have C. C's last index is occurring here. So in this string, only there are A, B, and C's. So the maximum occurring of A, B, C ends here. Okay. So this would be of length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our first index is 9. All right. So first answer is 9, and now we go for the next string. So next string is starting with D. So we see the last ending index of D. Where is it? It's here. Okay. Similarly, we see for E, the last ending index is here. So the string becomes still here. Then F, the last ending is here only because we have only one element of F. Then E is here. G is also itself only. So we have max ending till here. So therefore we count the string length, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is uh, the second index. Okay. So then we find for the next string, which is H, and H is occurring till here. Then I is occurring till here, and J is occurring till here. So therefore we consider the whole string, and the last index is 8, which is the length of the last string. Okay, so that's what we need to do here. And first of all, what we'll do is that we'll find the last uh, ending index of every element. Okay, and then we can maintain two pointers, and we can find the last occurring index of every element, and till that time we'll just increase the j, and when we reach that index, we do j minus I plus 1 as the answer, and we store that answer and put it in the result array. Okay, so that's what we need to do. Let's code it. It will be more clear. So first of all, what we need to do is that we need to create a vector of int uh, array, which is of 26 size, and we'll be storing all the elements, all the characters in this, the ending index of characters. So for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 26. Sorry, s dot length or size I plus plus. We'll iterate through every element and we'll store it in the, sorry, we make it equal to I. So I is the last index of every element which is occurring, okay, in the string. And then we maintain two pointers. So int I is equal to 0, j, and we maintain a end of every element. So while um, I is less than, let's call n is equal to s dot size, well I is less than n. Till that time, what we'll do is that first of all we'll create a j which starts from I plus 1, and an end which is basically s of I minus a, okay, sorry, I minus a, array of s of I minus a. So this is the ending index of that particular element. So while j is not equal to n, what we do is that we just increase we check what is the maximum end. We just increase the ending. We just increase the uh, characters, and we check for every element what is the maximum ending that we can get in that string. And unless we reach the ending of the first, or maybe if we encounter a larger ending index, then we go till that ending index, and until we reach that ending index, we iterate through the loop. And after we get out of it, we just simply create a result array, okay, for pushing back the answer. So result dot push back j minus I plus 1, okay, and we make j I is equal to j plus 1, all right, and simply from later we return the answer. Okay, let's run the code to see if everything is working fine. Vector, okay, let's submit it. um yeah, just 1 minute. Let's wait, let's run the code to see if everything is working fine. That's bug should be, yeah. All right, so I hope you guys understood the problem. It was very fairly easy, and yes, do solve it, and do like the video and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.